Welcome back. So what we're going to talk about next is how to add an employee using the second method, which is by adding an employee individually to the system. To get started, look at the shortcuts on your dashboard and click that first button that says Add an Employee. After that, you'll be prompted to start filling out the information for your employee. Required fields are marked with a required star next to it in red. Even though just a few of the fields are required, I'd highly recommend filling out all the fields on the screen if you can. Something to keep in mind is that employee code is required, and this is just basically a unique identification number defining each employee in your company. This is often connected to an external payroll system, but if you don't currently have employee codes at your company, don't worry about it. What you can do is just enter any random number. If you aren't able to find an option you're looking for in one of the drop-down menus, don't worry. What you can do is go ahead and add a new one. So let's say you want to associate an employee with a department that's not already within the system. What you can do is click on the field, start typing in the name of the department you want to add to the system, and automatically you'll see an Add Option button here at the bottom. Go ahead and click that, and it'll automatically populate with your new department name. You can do this for any of the drop-downs. I'd highly recommend filling out the email address for the employee. Even though it's not a required field, it's connected to a lot of other features in the system. At the bottom of the employee ad screen, you'll notice that there's a prompt asking if you'd like to send a message to the employee with an onboarding template. So what this does is it essentially invites the employee to use the system. This is especially useful when you recruit employees through the system, but if you want to just set up your employee account initially without notifying them, you can go ahead and leave that blank. Once you're finished filling out the screen, go ahead and click the green Add button here at the bottom right corner. All right, well done. You finished that first step to adding an employee. Now, as you can see on this next page, you can fill out a bunch more details about the employee if you like. If you want to go ahead and check out the details later, all you want to do is click Save, and after that, you're done. I encourage you to look around and explore the system, and especially the employee's profile after you've added them to HR Partner. To do that, go ahead and just click their name under the employees list, and you'll be able to see a full list of all the modules and the different capabilities in the system. We will be going through some of these essential modules throughout the rest of the course, but for now, I really encourage you to just click on employee profiles and explore to figure out more about what you can do in the system and all of its capabilities. All right, that wraps up this lesson. And so stay tuned. In the next lesson, we're going to be talking about how to set up leave balances and vacation policies for your employees. All right, I will see you then.